Hi, in this video we will explore how to create a Tellagami. Tellagami is an app that students can use to record any of their thoughts and their thinking. I have the Tellagami EDU app installed on my iPad, which is a paid app, but the free Tellagami app is enough that students can create and share their thinking. So the first thing you want to do on your iPad is click on that Tellagami app. It will open up the Tellagami app, and you're going to want to click on Create because students are going to create a new Tellagami. Once they click on it, it will open it up, and then students have a lot of features that they can use to customize their Tellagami. They can change the character, the emotion, and the background. So if they go through and change the character, they have options to adjust gender, skin tone, eyes, head size, hair, tops, bottoms, and shoes. So they really can spend time customizing their Tellagami to make it look as close to them as possible. So I'll just go through quickly and change some of the settings here to create my Tellagami. And I'm ready to go. So once I have personalized my Tellagami and made him or her look the way I want them to, the next option is to change the emotion. I had my kids pick happy because I would tell them if they were presenting and they were standing in front of us, and they would need to be either happy or neutral. But if, depending on the project that they're presenting, they can choose whichever emotion best fits that work. So there's my happy emotion. And then one of the great things you can do is have students change the background. So you'll notice up here you have the option to take a picture as the background. You can upload from the library, which is your camera roll. You can doodle, and then the EDU version has a few extra background packs that I could go through. So I'm just going to quickly pick a picture from my camera roll. Maybe students want to have their work in the background that they're going to be talking about, and they can easily put that up there. And once you hit back, you want to go ahead and add in a message. So if you click on message, you have the option to do voice or text. And then you will see that with the EDU version, you have 90 seconds to record. That's one of the reasons that I went ahead and bought the EDU version. The free version, you have 30 seconds, which is the same as Chatterpix. But I liked to give this option to my students if they wanted to explain something a little longer. Then they would go ahead and use Tellagami because it had the 90 seconds. Students will just click on the green record button, and you'll notice the timer does start pretty much right away, so you do need to prepare students to have what they're going to say ready to go as soon as they hit that record button. And then when they're done, they just click stop. Notice the timer does start pretty much right away, so you do need to prepare students to have. So once students record, it will play it back for them to preview. If they're happy with it, then they can save it. If they want to re-record, they are free to re-record. I am pretty happy with my Tellagami and how it turned out, so I'm going to be done with it. In the next video, we will explore how we can share our Tellagamis and upload them to Google Drive, and then you can use things like QR codes to generate a QR code to the Tellagami, and other ways to share them. But this is how you create a Tellagami to have students record their thinking.